Are you looking for a way on how to earn some extra money online? Or are you even trying to quit your 9-to-5 job to start earning passive income online? Then congratulations! You have done the best decision when decided to watch this video, as in this video, I'm going to show you a new method on how you can earn extra money. Or, if you'd like, you can even turn it into passive income. This new method is absolutely beginner-friendly. That's why it's very good for those who have never made any money online. Don't worry, you don't need to have any technical knowledge or special skills, as those aren't required at all. The best part is that anyone from anywhere can make money with this strategy, as it's available for absolutely everyone all around the world. You don't need to make any investments or pay any fees, and not even buy anything. This website, where you are going to start making money, is 100% free for everyone to access. What I love the most about this method is that you can do it anywhere you like, and with whatever device you prefer. You can do it on your computer, laptop, tablet, or even smartphone. All you need to do is create yourself a free account on the site I will be showing you, and then watch short videos, and finally get paid for doing that. Make sure to watch the entire video, as I will also be sharing some bonus tips with you, so that you could make even more money. So just keep on watching this video. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. You can now go to this website, that is followfast.com. On this page, you will start earning points for watching videos for at least 30 seconds. And then you can exchange those points into real money. When you scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Payouts, then you'll be able to see all the other members of this website who have earned this amount of money and cashed out it with all these different payment methods here. You can now keep on watching this video and follow all my steps, as I will also be sharing some bonus tips on how you'll be able to earn even more money on this website. To start earning money by watching videos on this site, you first need to create yourself a free account. To do that, just click on this button where it says Join. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page where you need to fill in your information in order to sign up. You need to create your username. Then add your email address. After that, add your password. Also, make sure to fill in this CAPTCHA box here. And finally, click on Join to finish signing up. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you have created your new account and signed in, then you should see your dashboard looking like this. In here, you can see that there are actually several ways on how to make money on this website. But for the purpose of this video, we will be focusing on watching videos. You can now click on this button here that says Plays. You'll be then taken to this next page where you can start watching a video by clicking on this play button here. That's very easy. You just need to watch your video for a few seconds. Then you'll earn points for doing that. And finally, you can exchange those points into real money. You can now click on this play button here. After doing that, you'll be taken to this page where you can see this video that you can watch. On the Follow Fast page, you can see the timer that has started and how long you need to watch the video. And when the timer runs out, then you can close the video yourself or put it on pause. It's time to share a bonus tip with you. As you can see yourself, you're earning points for each video you watch. But what if you could maximize those points with a few clicks? By that I mean watching multiple videos at the same time. This way you can double or even triple your earnings. When you open, let's say 10 tabs, this means 10 videos at the same time, then you can earn 10 times more points than you would have earned by watching one video. You can just open 10 tabs. And the best part is that you don't even have to watch them actively. You can let them run at the background, and then you can just do your other activities. Just click on a video, let it run till the timer finishes. And after that, points will be immediately added to your account. On your dashboard, you can see that you can also earn daily and hourly bonus points when you click on this button here. You will be just doing easy tasks by following all the steps they are giving you. After you have completed them, then points will be directly added to your account. And when you click on this Cash Out button here, then you'll be able to exchange the points you have collected into real money and receive it through the payment method you prefer. As you can see here, they have so many payout methods they offer, as PayPal, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, and so many more. You just need to make sure to have created an account for one of these to receive your earnings to them. In here you can see that the minimum rates are so small. So you can even cash out starting from $1.50. That's quite amazing, right? Now let's walk this through one more time. You need to come to followfast.com and create yourself a free account to start watching videos for a few seconds and earn points for doing that. Later on, you can exchange those points into real money and cash out when you have at least earned the minimum that's required. That's quite easy, right? I do believe that this is a very good make money method for those who have never earned a dollar online or who would like to get started with it. So, I truly recommend trying out this method if you're interested in earning some extra money online. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.